Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yogurt using milk. This easy method will guide you through each step, ensuring delicious results right in your own kitchen. We'll cover everything from selecting the right milk to the final incubation, making homemade yogurt simple and rewarding. Get ready to enjoy fresh, creamy yogurt with just a few basic ingredients and a little patience. The first crucial step is heating your milk. Use a heavy-bottomed pot to prevent scorching. Slowly bring the milk to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, stirring gently. This high temperature helps eliminate unwanted bacteria and changes the milk's protein structure, which is essential for a thick, creamy yogurt. Once it reaches 180 degrees Fahrenheit, remove it from the heat. After heating, let the milk cool down to 110 degrees Fahrenheit. This specific temperature is perfect for the beneficial bacteria in your starter yogurt to thrive. Once cooled, add about 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with live active cultures per quart of milk. Gently whisk it in until it's completely blended. This starter is what transforms your milk into delicious yogurt. Now for the magic, incubation. Pour your mixture into clean jars and cover them. Maintain a consistent temperature between 100 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 hours. A yogurt maker or an oven with just the light on can provide this warmth. Once it reaches your desired thickness, refrigerate the yogurt for at least 4 hours to chill and set completely. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.